up around 5:15. And we did that back in one of our tokers, so that was a really good decision. And got quite a bit in the fours, you know, over there.
So we have 50 to 60 per week. I mean, probably great. Could be above great.
Yeah, I think we're going to need yields like that to make some money. I mean, that would definitely break even with the price of it. I don't think I can really come back over there.
Yeah. So you're buzzing.
I don't want the rains going over the...
I mean,
It happens.
headed to Oklahoma too, or?
No, I mean, the state line's right a mile to the south of the state line.
Okay.
So we have that, where you had me a couple years ago.
Yeah,
We were on that side of the road.
Okay.
And that's a full section. And so the Oklahoma and state line's right over there, but we don't farm any of it.
This would be a good direction to find some more cutters, probably north or?
Probably south,
South.
would be, I mean, there are some people cutting around, but like I said, it's just kind of sparse at the moment. And part of the reason is just because, I mean, you know, a lot of farmers around here do have combines, but a lot of guys don't custom cutters, and they're just not here yet.
I stopped at, I think combines going north of town, and it was Kiowa. So,
Yeah.
it was 11. So it's going down that, you know, is it right?
Alba.
Alba.
Yeah, they've been dumping all of the things since Saturday or so.
Okay.
So, you know, it kind of gets a little earlier than we.
Well, thanks for letting us back in.
No, it's awesome. It's just kind of funny.
I know. Well, if I have a question, what's the number to reach out?
620
Okay.
213
Okay.
0558.
Well, like most years, I guess I get to take him right back at the office tomorrow, so I might call you if I think it's
Okay. So will this be in the paper?
on Thursday. Yep.
Awesome. I told him to get some outside, and if you wanted to get something inside.
That works. Thanks for letting us. So you said you've been back 7 years?
Yes, that would be right. My 7th year.
You always say you want to come back?
No, not necessarily. It just kind of worked out like that. I like small town